Hi everyone, welcome back to the Dashboard Roadmap, a series where we explore some of the City Health Dashboard's best features. I'm Sammy, and in this episode, I'm going to walk you through the Compare Cities page. While no two cities are the same, data from the dashboard can give communities the ability to see health outcomes and the factors impacting health compared to their peers. I'm curious to see how diabetes rates in Flagstaff, Arizona compare to other cities. You can access the Compare Cities page here on the navigation bar. The dashboard allows users to identify peer cities and compare their performance on a metric in two different ways. If you know what city you want to compare to, you can just type the name into the Select Comparison Cities box. If you do not know which city to compare to, the dashboard has a City Finder feature that allows you to filter cities by size, location, demographics, as well as other dashboard metrics, whatever is meaningful to your work. As you add more filters, the list of cities to choose from gets smaller and more refined. When you select cities, those scale bars appear down the page, allowing you to see how each city's performance on the metric compares to your original city. And that's it for this episode of the Dashboard Roadmap on how to understand the Compare Cities page. Thanks for tuning in. Don't hesitate to reach out with questions, comments, and ideas for future episodes by emailing info@cityhealthdashboard.com. See you on the site!